At Spotify Camp Nou, a new phase of construction is unfolding, and the changes are impossible to ignore. From structural cores to rising diamond zones, every section is now moving in parallel. Cranes, concrete, and steel are shaping a structure that looks more complete every day. But not everything is running smoothly. Some key operations are still facing delays and adjustments. So let's take a closer look at the latest progress unfolding across Spotify Camp Nou. One of the most noticeable updates is arrival and installation of ceramic lamas on Gol Sur Facade. These elements are defining exterior look of stadium and are now visible in new sections. Installation is progressing carefully, especially where integration with access structures and supports is required. Some sections already show completed cladding, others are still in preparation. Painting and finishing work is also ongoing in several zones, with surfaces being refined for next layers. Inside structure, activity continues across multiple cores and interior zones. Workers are inside cores, while sandwich panels and concrete slabs are still being installed in different areas. Second and third tiers are progressing, with stairs, joints, and structural alignments being refined. Some zones already show clear separation between finished and unfinished parts. Material across levels shows how fast internal structure is evolving. Intermediate level between second and third tiers is becoming more defined. This area will likely include functional spaces such as restrooms and hospitality or restaurant zones. Windows and partitions are starting to show layout design, although some details are still evolving as construction continues. This level will play an important service role in stadium operations. Moving around exterior, diamond structural sections are showing strong progress. Reinforcement bars, scaffolding systems, and formwork are all actively being installed. Some areas are preparing for concrete stages, while others focus on alignment and structural supports. Second diamond section is especially active with clear visible progress. This phase defines strength and geometry of stadium's outer structure. At Gol Norte, additional cimbras are installed, supporting compression ring development. Joint sealing work is also visible across third tier, where concrete sections meet. These joints are being carefully finished with sealing materials marking transitions between elements. This is important for durability and long-term stability of upper seating areas. Overall, this zone shows steady and detailed structural refinement. We see a massive stock of compression ring components now staged on site, including the flanges for Gol Sur, along with huge radial beams and pillar elements. These oversized structural pieces confirm that all key materials are ready for the next phase of assembly. Alongside this, facade lamas are also arriving in large quantities and are being cleaned with high-pressure water before installation, while electrical cables in different colors, green and orange, are being organized for lighting and other systems. At the first mobility core on the second level, sandwich panel installation is actively underway. New panels have been added to the left side since the previous week's footage. You can see the coverage expanding when you compare the two, with work continuing on the right side. Metal alignment rods hang from above to keep the panels straight during placement. The panels themselves have yellow-colored insulation cores, and some of the corner edges still require the small metal fixing pieces that ultimately support the lamella anchors. Several elevated platforms are working simultaneously on fitting and preparation. No lamella anchors have been placed at this mobility core yet, but the panel coverage that needs to exist before those anchors go in is getting there. Meanwhile, ceramic lama installation continues progressing on the facade, while recent LED lighting tests have provided an early glimpse of the stadium's future visual experience. Together, these developments highlight the constant progress taking place throughout Spotify Camp Nou. Construction remains highly active between the lateral and Gol Norte sectors. Materials, equipment, and work platforms can be seen throughout the site as preparations continue for future roof installation. One of the most important updates comes from the third diamond section, now more open and active. Reinforcement work is visible, with workers preparing pillars and structural steel elements. This area is entering a very active phase of construction. The diamond zones on lateral side are becoming one of the most dynamic parts of stadium, with multiple teams working in parallel. Even though some sections are still early, overall structure is becoming more defined. Specialists prepare a structural box lift in Gol Norte, securing slings and ensuring all connections are properly fixed before the lift begins. During the operation, the box is guided into final position and adjusted as the crew fine-tunes lifting points and bolts for proper alignment. Once confirmed, the installation is successfully set in place. The operation remains well coordinated, showing steady progress in this section of the stadium as work continues across other areas. We are seeing strong activity in the lateral zone around Gol Norte, with significant material and new supplies arriving on site. The diamond sections and the compression ring are clearly visible, continuing steady structural progress across this key area. This zone is becoming one of the most active parts of the stadium, with work advancing on multiple fronts simultaneously. In the Gol Norte area, additional structural pieces are being installed, preparing the framework for ceramic facade lamas. Multiple platforms are active, with workers carrying out precise installation and lifting operations as the structure continues to develop. These elements are gradually defining the final exterior appearance of this section. We are now positioned at the Gol Sur Tribuna corner, where the newly arrived escalators are already visible on site. Their exact installation points are yet to be confirmed, but everything indicates they will soon be integrated into the stadium's core circulation system. This marks another important step in the development of internal access routes and overall infrastructure. From this viewpoint, we also get a clear panoramic perspective of the stadium, highlighting steady progress across multiple construction zones, especially around the surrounding structural framework. Another key area is future store and museum zone, already showing early interior preparation work. Machinery and workers are visible inside, starting finishing phases. This area will become part of larger stadium complex, including commercial and museum spaces. Surrounding land is also being prepared for future development. Long-term vision extends into full sports and entertainment complex. Once finished, fans will experience a far more organized, accessible, and visually impressive area before even entering the stadium. Every new layer of pavement and every completed public section brings the project one step closer to completion. The progress happening at Camp Nou right now is truly incredible, and week by week, the dream of seeing Barcelona return to a fully rebuilt world-class stadium is becoming reality. From the massive roof construction to the futuristic facade panels and the growing surface developments around the stadium, every part of the project is moving forward step by step. Every week, new progress can be seen across the massive construction site, and fans around the world are amazed by how quickly the stadium is taking shape. The new structure is designed to be more modern, more comfortable, and much bigger than before, creating an unforgettable experience for supporters. To finish today's update, the massive support frame moved earlier by the TC3 crane is now finally being positioned by the TC2 crane near the future pillar section. Little by little, the compression ring keeps moving forward, and the stadium is slowly becoming a reality. There is still a long way to go with the facade, interiors, and the rest of the FC Barça project. But the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is becoming more impressive every single week. As visit continues, stadium is evolving across multiple fronts. Structural diamonds, cores, cranes, interior spaces, and commercial zones. Even with temporary pauses and adjustments, overall progress remains strong and visible from every angle. After several hours on site, this visit wraps up with expectation of more progress in coming days, especially crane operations and diamond development.